In Wardak province, winters are long and unforgiving. Heavy snowfall cuts off access, fuel tankers can't reach, and conventional batteries fail under the extreme cold. Emtel Energy has delivered the solution: the Gen5 supercapacitor module, an advanced electrostatic energy storage technology built for environments where reliability is non-negotiable. Why Gen5 outperforms batteries? No degradation, consistent output in every season. Extended lifespan, far beyond chemical batteries. Advanced monitoring system, smart, reliable oversight. Recyclable materials, sustainable by design. Zero thermal runaway risk, maximum safety in extreme cold. Superior round-trip efficiency, more energy, less waste. In regions like Wardak, where traditional solutions fail, Gen5 ensures uninterrupted power and seamless connectivity.
Enercap by Emtel Energy, powered by Enercap. Designed for extremes, delivered with excellence.